Hi, what's up guys, how's it going? In this video I'll be walking you through how to find TikTok affiliate product going viral right now using Kalodata. So this is step-by-step process on how to go about it. So basically I have a professional subscription on Kalodata, which means I have access to most of the tools that Kalodata actually have. So me logging in right here, you can see I have access to the competitors list, brand strategy, affiliate creators, hot videos, trending products, and hot lives. And I'm currently on the United Kingdom right here based on the last video I made before this one. So which means I'll be seeing products within the United Kingdom literally, right? So and if I switch or click on this drop down right here, I can also switch from United Kingdom to United States, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, Philippines, Singapore. So depending on which country you're actually coming from or you're currently based in, and which country you actually want to check on their product, so you can just switch and it's very simple. So the product you'll be seeing on the United Kingdom will definitely be different from the product you'll be seeing on the United States. So I'm going to show you that so you can see that Kalodata actually provide an accurate result. So like I said, I'm currently on the United Kingdom right here, and these are the products that it shows to me that these are the top products in the last 28 days that are trending and also selling as well. And you can see the revenue that the products have generated. You can see the revenue for this one, and these are the top 5 products, right? So this is what I'm going to show you. I'm going to click on the trending products, so we can see much of these products that are going viral right now, and you can start selling using the power of Kalodata. So I'm going to click on trending products. Then you can see on this page right here, so it said what products are making money right now, the category you are interested in, right? So on my history, so I've checked on this gaming and consoles, then desktop computer, as well as laptop and tablets, and then office equipment. So these are the things that I've searched so far. So you can see common questions. So I can click on this explore page right here, so it will take me down to this page. Then click on the trending product, then insert the category that you actually want to check in, because you know, like, you cannot they cannot just bug you with different type of products, so they have to know the kind of products you are trying to look for. So we have different categories and subcategory right here. So you can see women's wear and underwear. So if I select this category right here, then click on get the answer. So you're gonna select women's wear from all the category. You can see there are also some subcategory. So these are subcategory, which is women's top and all that. So you can also select that, but then I think that is all. Then click on get the answer. Then it's gonna open a new tab and show me all the products that are trending in the United States, in the UK, sorry. So you can see my subscription have actually expired, so you can see your account has expired, so click here to upgrade, right? So but then this is how you can actually discover the product that are going viral on Kalodata. So you can see with TikTok shop actually, so you can see this product, and there is much more products you'll be able to see on this page right here. So the next thing I'm gonna show you is to switch from United Kingdom to another country, so you can see that the product will definitely be different. But you can see this particular product right here, which is women's striped print drawstring waist wide. So I'm gonna select or change that to United States. Then let's see what product is trending. So you can see the product have changed. So this is another product under the women's wear. So if I click on Indonesia, it's gonna give us another product, and you can see all the products right here. So you can see this another product, which is bra. So if we change to Malaysia, it's gonna change as well to another product. So this another product, which is socks, right? So from Malaysia to Thailand, Vietnam, and all that. So this way you'll be able to find the product within your country, so you don't have to poke nose to another country to find what is actually trending in their country. So this way you'll be able to find trending products within your country that are actually going viral as at that moment that you are searching for it. So, and they will also rank all the products, so you'll be able to see which one you should actually go for. So this way you'll be able to find trending products on Kalodata with the TikTok affiliate product. And if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below. Thank you.